Hello guys. In this video I'm gonna show you how to transform HTML website into Android app in 2025. To make Android app with your website must be published. To publish your website for free in minutes, watch our video about hosting website for free. Link of that video will be in the description. Once you have your website published, go ahead and copy the URL of the website. Then type appsgeyser.com in the browser. Click Create App. You can copy the HTML code and paste here, but that's very problematic because you have to write CSS and JavaScript code in HTML. And you can't have more than one page. So better option is to do it with URL. Click here and paste your website URL. Your website will appear here. And you can preview your app. Then add your website name and your mail. Click Next. Here you can choose your application icon. Click Next again. You can add features to your app if you want. But I'll skip. Click the Download button. You have to make an account before downloading your app. Click here and then click Download APK. What this do is that it will download package. And when you send to your phone and download on it, application will appear on your Android phone as shown in the video. Thanks for watching. You'll see me in the next video. Bye.